Hello everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny, and today I have Grandma's sewing box template for you. And it is a small little box, but you can up the size if you want to. So I have the printable. I printed it on cardstock, double-sided. I printed the back page. As you can see, just only one side has the fold lines, and the other side I just printed with the background page. So this is what it looks like when we are finished. It is a small, as you can see, it's going to be small, but you can turn this into a bigger project if you want. And then I made these panels to decorate our little box with, and I have two. I love these little boxes. As I spoke before, my grandmother always would keep things in these little tiny little plastic containers and things. She would reuse the pen boxes and stuff like that, you know, for sewing and quilting and crocheting and all that. So I've already got this cut out, and you're going to need a scoring tool and a ruler to score these lines, or you could just fold it. It's up to you. And with these the panels, you will need to cut away the black line, okay? With this template, you just cut it as a whole. You don't cut anything in here. The only thing that you cut out is these little white little ones here. Those are the ones that you will need to cut out with a blade. Or you will need to have all your pieces cut and ready to go. I do have my bone folder, which I'm going to be used as my scoring tool. And I do have my ruler. Now again, all these lines are folding lines, except all these dashed lines are the folding lines. And I should have put that on the printable, and I apologize. But all these dashed lines here are foldable. The solid lines that are here and here, you will need to cut. I hope that makes sense. These white boxes, you will need to cut out with a blade. Okay? I hope that makes sense. But I'm going to score it so that my folds are going to be nice, right? And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut that solid line up to the dotted line and stop. This gives us the tabs. See? I'm going to turn it now. If you don't want these lines on the outside, you will need to leave them inside. You can leave them inside if you want to. I don't mind the lines because I'm going to distress it when I'm done. So I really do not mind the lines. Now, these little ends right here are what pokes through those little slits. So those I need to cut out now. And I'm going to find so now I'm going to fold this piece in. I'm sorry, this piece in. That is what holds that together. There we go. And then these two ends, and then the flap over with the little tabs. Then that goes in the slits down there. Voila. Alright, I'm just dry fitting things right now. Making sure everything is going to fit. Okay. This goes inside there. That goes inside there. So look at the little box. Isn't it super cute? Super cute, super cute, super cute. Okay, so now I'm going to put some glue on things though. I want to make sure. And let's decorate. Now, let me find my panels. Okay, so this is the front panel. It says front side and it says inside. Okay, so this is the inside. This one is the inside. And so we got this one, which goes here. This goes back here. This goes down here. This goes here. And these two, of course, go in there. Now, again, with these, you want to make sure that you cut away the black line. Let's dry fit it. Alright, and it doesn't go all the way over, but the reason being is because I probably printed this on borderless, and you want to print all this stuff the same. You want to print it as is, and then that way you know they fit. So with me, I printed this as is, and I printed this borderless. So yeah, that was my problem, because it does match up on when I printed the draft. So this was like my bad. It was a printing error on my part, so don't think it doesn't fit, because it does. It's just the way I printed it. Hilarious, right? I printed it wrong. But I didn't want to reprint it because I didn't want to waste paper. But this is fun.